According to the spruce pets, regurgitation is also a way that birds show each other that they are interested. 2. This is a natural courting behavior, and it's very common for pet birds to regurgitate on other birds, their favorite people, or even their favorite toys. If your bird regurgitates on you, it's most likely a sign of affection. According to Pet Place, vomiting in birds is always abnormal. At times, birds may regurgitate, that is, expel food originating from the crop through the mouth. But this is mainly undigested food. Regurgitation may be caused by disease processes or may be a normal behavior. According to clinicians' brief, regurgitation is the passive expulsion of food, fluid, or other material from the pharynx or esophagus, while vomiting is an active expulsion of ingesta from the stomach and, sometimes, duodenum.
हमारी स्टोरी तो देखते हो और फॉलो फेयर नहीं करते।
Yeah, Mavi Singh.